Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the Milwaukee long reach pliers. Item number 48-22-6101. This is the 8-inch comfort grip long nose pliers. If we look at it, it says right here, it's got a reamer, fish tape, and a wire cutter. Let's look at the back. You can see there's 3 other kind of pliers. I ordered the majority of these. As we get them in, we'll start to review them. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this. All righty, here are the pliers. Like the other one, they're a little stiff, but as we use them, they will get looser and better. Got a little bit of dirt there, it's fine. They are meant to be used. So let's go ahead and try these with a piece of wire, see how they do. Very good, cuts it really well. Alrighty, everybody, so these are the long reach comfort grip pliers. They are the long nose, item number 48-22-6101. Stay tuned for more unboxings and tool reviews. If you like the video, hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Talk to everybody later. Bye.